Alright, chapter 24. So, let's take a look at how to do this. So, right here, part A, fit the multiple regression of average cost on material cost and labor hours. So, okay. So right here it says use material cost as x1 and labor cost as x2. So those are going to be the x. So pretty much we're just going to have to go to fit model. These two are going to be our x and average cost is going to be y. Run that. Go right here. And to get this part right here, all we have to do is simply look at estimates. You're going to get those numbers all here. And you just correlate it with each other. 21.067 right here, that's the intercept. And then down this one, material cost is x1. So that's how you get those numbers there. And then for p-value, that one we're looking at x1, and as we said before, that's going to be material cost. So p-value for material cost right here, 0.5086. Labor hours, 0.000. So, do both explanatory variables improve the fit of the model? No, because P1 or X1 right here is more than 0.05. It's more than 0.05. This one is not. X2 is good, but X1 is not. Therefore, it is too large and it does not improve the model. Okay, does an estimated slope in the labor? So this is pretty much what it's saying. So for this one, the estimated slope for labor hours per unit is much larger than the slope for material cost per unit. Does this difference mean that the labor costs from the larger portion of production costs than material costs? And for that one, it's no. It just means that in general, increases in labor hours would increase the average cost much faster than increases material costs do. And that's pretty much because the numbers right here. Alright, and now for VIF, variance inflation factors. Pretty easy to find. You just go right here to columns, VIF, and that's how you get that number, 1.097. Interpret the value. If you look at it, the VIF is very close to 1. So, because of this, it is very likely that there's collinearity between the two variables. Then lastly here, it says suppose that you formulated this regression using the total cost of each production run rather than average cost per unit. Would collinearity have been a problem in this model? No, because in the end, these two right here, the X1 and X2 are the same. It's still going to be material costs, still going to be labor hours. So, therefore, we're still going to get the same VIF. See, as you see here, it's only measuring these two, not the intercept. So, therefore, it's going to be no. The two explanatory variables are not changing. And that is chapter 24.